This is how to service a floor jack. This might not always work, but you can give it a try. This jack doesn't work that well. It will only lift up the car slightly and then it won't go up anymore. So what you want to do is take this cover off here. I already pumped it up. Of course it's going to go up because there's no load on it. You want to pump it up so you can come in here. See all that crud right there? I'm going to try to clean that off. So that actually that looks like rust. Using a 2000 sandpaper so that it won't cause any major scratching. Then when you're done, turn it over so you can do the other side. I have no idea how old this jack is. I would say it's at least 30 years old. I have another one just like it, a blue one. That'll be servicing later too. That one's starting to not work that great anymore. But that thing has worked great for the 5 or 6 years I've had it. I also have something I'm going to put in there to try to rejuvenate the rubber seal. Do this again. This is as good as it's going to get. What I'm going to do up here is lower the jack slightly so I can sand this area there. I'm just going to turn this to release it a little bit. Just right until it goes where I need it. Right there. Then tighten it up. You dump the oil. You want to make sure this is loosened up. Right here, there's a plug. First we gotta clean this crap off around it. There's a plug there that you gotta pop out so you can dump the oil out. Get your pliers. Try to get this thing out of here. It's dumb. I don't know why they paint that for, because paint doesn't stick to rubber very well. You hear that seal? It's got a good seal on it. There we go. Got this old egg carton thing here, plastic, that I'm going to use. You want to turn this thing over to try to dump the oil out. Can't really see it, but the oil's coming out into the container. There's still some oil in it, so what I'm going to do is pull up on this part here. Still some oil in there, I can hear it, so I'm going to pull up on this. You hear that? And then turn it over and try to get some more out. I have the vice grips on here to keep this thing up. Then I'm going to try to dump it again. Let's see if we get any more out. Get as much of that old slop out as you can. Make sure you dispose of the old oil properly. Put it in a container, bring it to your auto parts store and they'll recycle it. I'm gonna put the additive first so that way it can mix together with the new oil. Now I'm using this stuff here, AT205 reseal. Because of the stupid thing, I don't want to get censored, so I'll call it the thing. That caused shortages with this product. I was just finally able to find some after looking for it for like 6 months. Because anybody that's selling it's charging way too much. This stuff used to be like $12. I got 2 of these for like $17 each, which isn't too bad. I use it in my truck to help keep the main seal from leaking. Save the small amount in this bottle here that I'm going to use. It's a clear liquid. It looks like water pretty much. Pour it in your oil. You don't need much in this. I have this little syringe that I'm going to use to put some in. Squirt this in there. Hopefully this will help fix the issue with that main seal over here. Then I have this. Just picked this up at the auto parts store, Jack Oil. Gonna squirt some of this in there. Then I'll test it and see if it can actually lift something up. Carefully guide it into the hole. Oh, you're gonna make a little bit of a mess. Just keep squirting it in until it starts to come out. Stop right there. What I'm going to do is pull the jack up to try to suck that in to make sure there's enough in there. So I'm sure it'll take more. And repeat. Okay, stop it. Do it again. Does look nasty in there. Maybe I should have put some oil in and then flushed it out to clean it out better. Okay, gonna put a little more in. Make sure the plug is clean. Reinsert it. It might be hard to get it in there. there you have it. Let's lift it up the car. See, the wheel's off the ground. See? Wheel's off the ground, and the rear wheel is actually almost off the ground too. This thing almost picked up half the car. So there you have it. That's how you can service your floor jack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment. And also make sure you put jack stands under the car. Don't go under there with this jack. Never trust a jack, even if it's brand new.